Welcome in daily newspaper editorials audio program. Now headline: Crowds are us times of India. Flip side of the coin rupee slide is not bad. The Economic Times. Mela and Meli. The Hindu. Now headline in detail. Crowds are us, the times of India. In world's most populous country, managing people should be an everyday priority. The negligence that rigged the stamped at New Delhi railway station from pile-up to switching off platforms remained stark over 48 hours later at platform crashes are just one cause in the wheel of mismanagement. 2 points here. As with most of everything, it starts with policy, and two stampede like situation are a terrifying everyday phenomenon where the world's most populous country. This makes crowd management not be special task but a constant that need to be incorporated in every design, especially in commuting parallel tracks. First policy we have been witnessing is absolute mayhem on trends around festival dynamic pricing where fares stood up with demand becomes a major pain point for message ahead of group travel home from Chhat or Diwali and now pilgrimage to Kumbh. UP government has been advertising 2 million expected in Prayagraj. Railway could surely have kept in abeyance dynamic pricing for this 45-day period. Prince sensitive travels had no option but to travel by general coaches. Even when number of general coaches are increased, they run beyond capacity because there's no knowing how many general tickets were sold. Unreserved tickets are sold by destination, no train number. It's like a pack of cards set up to collapse. Losing track. It's amazing there's still no mechanism to monitor and control the scale of general tickets. It is how 22,600 tickets were sold in a span of 2 hours. Railway brass in presumably now none the wiser. A contributing factor is also that railway had reportedly done away with trains with only general coaches because they are insufficient. It was the development of these special trains Saturday night that brought the station under control. Railway needs a rethink on crowd management. Its network remains to lifeline of commuting for the majority of Indian, including the lower middle tiers of India's middle class who are caught in a bind between dynamic train pricing and costly airfare. Red flags. Stampede-like situations are now an Indian staple in every city. The think Mumbai platform for suburban trains, for instance, even the once difficult pilgrim trek Vaishno Devi witnessed a crash in 2022, killing 12. Tirupati, a Hathras Sava, a movie premiere, a weekend sale crash is a stumble away anywhere. It takes seconds for a crowd to gather at even minor road accident. The core principle of crowd management, density, flow and pace, must be at the center of all planning. It starts with a change in mindset and approach. Flip side of the coin rupee slide is not bad. The Economic Time. Strength of a country need not always be tied to the strength is its currency. Sliding value of the rupee against the dollar could push up imported inflation and increase cost to repaying loans taken in dollars. But there's another side to the coin. Expert when Nirmala Sitharaman told Parliament last week that overruled currency erode national con- competitiveness. She was referring to export. A weaker currency makes good cheaper in international market, boosting exports. The rupee has been overvalued compared to a basket. The currency that compete with India is global market is strong. Currency can harm rather than help the economy. National often devalue their currencies to gain competitiveness. Remember India's 1919's Bob crisis and the sharp devaluation that followed. Even the US down the dollar's value against the renminbi and other currencies with the 1985 Plaza Accord. Unlike previous episode of rupee slide driven by CAD, this time it's due to capital outflow and rising dollar demand from oil importers amid weak capacity in a global market. Once Trump's wave to executive order settles global currency markets and the rupee should stabilize. Mela and Meli, the Hindu. Pupils' safety should be prioritized over football at Mahakumbh. The Mahakumbh Mela that is ongoing in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh has showcased the gaping more between the centers and the state plans for such a large event and what they believe are sufficient resources to conduct it. Ahead of the Mela, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and their cabinet colleagues had touted the special arrangement made for the Mela, including a surveillance system equipped with artificial intelligence to track crowd water filters to keep the rivers clean, a makeshift town replete with hospitals and special purpose train and buses. But they have not sufficient. There have been numerous reports to people being frustrated at the venue and during journey to and from there the Mela under management simmering just below the surface was transferred to outright mismanagement by the death of people in ground crush on January 29, 2025. The confused response by the Indian Railways to another crash at the New Delhi railway station on February 15, 2025 indicated the center's unwillingness to contain the disaster on the back of an expense of 75 7,500 crore for the Mela and its various high-tech preparation. Such preparation, however, cannot make up for change that need to be made over time, such as redeveloping a local railway station. Officials were reluctant to confirm that people had died even as local hospitals are confirming deaths is one particularly unfair statement. A deputy commissioner of police railways blamed unnecessary rush at the New Delhi railway station for the catastrophe. The consensus among fire safety experts worldwide is that such events occur when there is external cause for a group to panic, whether lacking the money to buy another ticket should they miss a train and suffering injuries due to unsafe pedestrian condition. A parliamentary probe revealed that the railway had sold 2,600 additional tickets and an announcement at the station of the arrival of a different train rendered this confused mass of passengers to attempt to reach the wrong platform. The railways has now said that special trains for the Mela will depart from one fixed platform at the station. Such interventions that are already well known to experts, including clear multilingual communications, restrict tickets, and proactive crowd control could have mitigated the tragedy. Many less prominent gathering places still lack attention by ways public safety. Both the center and state should eliminate these risk post haste if the center plans to increase footfall and place to worship are not to lead to more catastrophe while encouraging spiritual tourism. The hype around hosting 45 crore people at the Mahakumbh Mela absolutely impossible as it sounds should be toned down so as not to feed a political frenzy. The government must be careful that the cost of fulfilling political aspiration is not where paid for in terms of human lives. Thank you.